Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to use LendingClub's financial dashboard to track spendings and borrowings. You want a clear picture of your money? Well, let's walk through exactly how to use LendingClub's financial dashboard to track your spendings and loans in real time. Let's get into it. The first step is to log into your account. So open the LendingClub mobile app, or you can just sign in at the website. That's lendingclub.com. Enter your credentials and go to your account's home screen. Next step is to access the dashboard. So you're going to tap on dashboard, and from the bottom menu that's on the app, or the financial dashboard from the left sidebar on the desktop. This opens a full overview of your accounts. Next step is to review account balances. At the top, you're going to see your checking, savings, and loan balances. Green means available cash. Red or negative shows debts. Next is to track spendings. Scroll down to the spending insights section. Transactions are automatically grouped into categories like food and dining, bills and utilities, shopping, and of course transportations. Tap a category for a detailed breakdown. Next step is to monitor loan activity. Now, if you have a LendingClub loan, you can check the loan tracking section. You're going to see amounts remaining, the next due date, as well as the payment progress over time. Next step is to compare trends. The dashboard shows monthly spending trends versus income. You can spot overspending patterns or see where you're saving the most. Next step is to use filter for details. You can filter by date range, categories, or accounts. For example, only view last month's groceries or loan repayments this year. And that's pretty much it on how to use LendingClub's financial dashboard to stay on top of your money. In the next video, we're going to explore how to maximize LendingClub's marketplace banking model for both deposits and loans. So stay tuned to that video. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.